the Lorax, and I speak for these trees. And these trees say that reading is the bee's knees.
Oh, how I love to read. I could read with a goat. I could read on a boat. I could read with a fox. I could read in a box. I could read in the rain. I could read on a train. I could read here. I could read there. I could read anywhere.
Well said, Mr. Cat. Well said. Those darn things. Back on track. Oh, look at all these books, all these wonderful things to read. Much better than any old Thneed. Don't tell the Wutzler I said that.
You can find magic wherever you look. Just sit back, relax, and pick up a good book. There's action, comics, mysteries, nonfiction, and humor.
How I love reading.
It's like second nature.